Hi, my name's Ben Jones, aka GT Buster. Just recently I've had the opportunity to use the new Yakima RoadShower. So I've used the Yakima RoadShower on a few different applications. One good thing about this RoadShower is that you can pressurise the tank up to 65 PSI, which is going to give you up to 4 to 5 minutes shower time. I've also been able to use the RoadShower for washing down some of my fishing equipment, like my kayaks and also my fishing rods. The RoadShower comes in two different sizes, 26 litre and also the 15 litre tank. One of the main things I like about the Yakima RoadShower is it's really easy to set up. All you need to do is take the cap off the top, fill it with water and then pressurise the tank and you'll have your shower ready to go.